going on, everyone? Justin from Double J's back again. We are going to go kaboom hunting. Everybody else does, why not? Just happened to be in Target, found this retail whole box, and got these two blasters, so what the heck, why not do it? So let's get into it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're new, we do breaks, and I do breaks on eBay, whatnot, and stuff like that. So subscribe and like to the channel. My son will love it. He loves doing this. He's in bed right now. Obviously, it's a little late, but let's go kaboom hunting. Everybody else is, why not? Bo Melton, Ritter. Let's see, what do we got here? Romeo Dobbs out of $4.99. Not bad. Oh, we got a Diamond Drafts, George Kittle. Let's see. What do we get here? Everybody else does. Why can't we? Anthony Ingram, Zonovan Knight, Sky Moore, introductions. Move this way. It'll be easier to see. That won't turn. That's cool. That's cool. All right, let's go. Let's go kaboom hunting. Let's see what we get. I hate how these are all upside down. Dawson Knox, Malik Willis, Drake Jackson, By Storm, Brees Hall. Steph Diggs, Christian Watson, Hassan Haskins, and Aiden Hutchinson. Let's see. Derek Stingley, Isaiah Spiller, Lamar. Last call, Ambry Thomas. Let's go kaboom. Chris Olave, Jaquan Brisker, Rascal Douglas. Wouldn't that be nice, huh? A little Kenny Pickett action. Jahan Dotson, Malik Willis. Tannehill, Holmes, McLaurin, Winston. Hogan Hall, Malik Willis. It's a different color. Put that one aside. Will it happen today? Why are these like that? Jerome Ford, Ahmad Sauce Gardner. Diamond Drafts. Not anymore. Not anymore, Russell. Sorry. That ripped funny. through these as fast as I can. Will we get a kaboom? Sure, the odds aren't great just getting these retail packs, but you never know until you try, right? Never know until you try. Doing breaks on eBay and on Whatnot. I don't know if you guys ever visited the Whatnot app. If you're into cards and stuff like that, it's called Whatnot. You can do live auctions with cards. It's actually pretty neat. Live bids. People that buy it now is they have auctions for teams. You can pick your team. Pick your team on some of them. All depends on what they're doing. Let's see. Don't even need to pick these up. All we're doing is straight kaboom hunting. Let's go, baby. So you guys can see a little bit better here. Wonder what the actual odds are hitting a kaboom in a retail pack. I mean, there's gotta be some. I mean, people buy this stuff. So you just do it, just get lucky and just roll with it. Just a roll. We'll have every rookie, every rookie in this draft class, though. Bailey Zappi. Wonder if you got any what's his name? Oh, James Cook. Damian Harris. Almost done with that retail. Thought that might have our best odds, no matter who it was. By storm. All right. Well, that's it for the retail. Let's try one of these guys. Everybody else is doing it. Everybody else is doing it. Get these out of the way. Whoa, jeez. Come out of here hot. 11 cards per pack. Little sticker. Alright. Kaboom or bust, they said. Kaboom or bust. Let me get the stack out of the way. It made for an awesome video though. An upside down Kaboom coming out. If you guys found Kaboom, let me know in the break or in the comments what break you guys got them. Like what stack did you get them? Did you have to get a hobby box or stargazing, Josh Allen? If you have, let me know. I want to know if anybody's actually hit Kaboom in a blaster box or a retail box. There's a green parallel. Shad white. Doesn't look too promising. Doesn't look too promising. Two helmets with the training pads on. I don't know if you guys can see. The phone is falling. Oh, there goes that blaster. Try one more blaster. Can we pull a Kaboom? Can we pull a Kaboom or not? So many card packs. Come on, Kaboom. Why does that keep doing that? There we go. Kaboom or bust. Kaboom or bust. This one's all upside down. Oh, except for the rookies. Oh, just a mess today. Just thinking about a Kaboom. Thinking about the Kabooms. Thinking about the Kabooms. Thinking about the Kabooms. Guess you really, it's like playing the lottery. You really gotta just, you're either gonna get it or you're not. All in or not. Oh, jeez, of course. Okay, last one. No. Well, anyway, thanks for watching. If you guys want to go on Whatnot, test it out. My username is Guidamania. You guys go check me out on Whatnot. I have live breaks at night, normally during the week. Come check it out. It's actually a lot of fun. You can chat, hang out, listen to some music, bid on some cards, and stuff like that. If you don't want to, I'll include my eBay store. I also have cards in there and other various products. So appreciate you watching. Thanks. Please like and subscribe. My son loves watching that stuff. Grow, and I'll talk to you guys later. Appreciate it.